Next on MeTV, the 1960s superhero classic, Radiation Man.
Radiation Man. I fight crime using two things. My lethal radioactive powers and my young crime-fighting pipe kid, Sparky.
Ha! That's me. I'm Sparky. Hi. I'm Radiation Man's sidekick. And, all my hair keeps falling out for some reason.
This week's episode, the Surf Master.
Ha ha ha! Now that I, the Surf Master, have flooded the city, we can hang 10 into the First National Bank and steal all the money.
That's the ginchiest plan ever, dude. There's no stopping us now.
No one? What about me?
Radiation Man!
Don't forget about me. Sparky!
Your plans are about to wipe out Surf Master.
Oh yeah? We'll see about that. Hey, for real, is he okay?
He's fine. He's probably just a little rundown from all the crime we've been fighting side by side. You know, it's not easy keeping up with my radioactive powers.
I can do it. I put the active in radioactive.
But, just for good measure, why don't I give you a jolt of radioactive energy?
No, I'm good.
How's that? Feeling energized?
You know it. My orphan bones.
Okay, maybe you guys should not stand so close together.
Okay,
That's okay.
it's not my
No
first
worries.
day
No
with
problem.
radiation powers. I'm keeping Sparky next to me where he's safe from evildoers like you.
You're my hero, Radiation Man.
You know, the real hero is you, Sparky. A lot of orphans have put on that costume, but you're by far the best.
Hey, wait, that's not like your first little dude?
No! I've been blessed with 6 Sparkies. But lucky number 7, Jimmy, here has had the job the longest.
4 months today.
Yeah, no, that's it. I'm done.
Wait, no, Riptide. What about our evil plan?
I thought that was evil, like robbing banks and surfing and stuff, but that's nothing compared to this.
Guys, my nails come right off.
Sparky, get behind me while I power up my X-ray punch.
Okay.
It's equal to the radioactive power of 1 million X-rays.
A regular punch would be just fine.
Wait for that! No. Don't make me do it. Don't make me. Oh God, what did I do? What have I done? Oh God!
The authorities. Take this washed-up crook away.
That's him, officer. That's the monster.
What? Wait, no, you...
Child Protective Services, you're under arrest.
No, you've got the wrong guy. Wait, somebody call the orphanage. Tell them to get me another boy!